Numerous people are unaware of the warning indications of vitamin D deficiency, which affects over half of the U.S. population. With the right dosage of vitamin D, your chance of acquiring breast cancer, colon cancer, prostate cancer, and other disorders is reduced by about 80%. There are physical indications that can indicate that you have an issue that needs to be treated by restoring your vitamin D blood level before you experience any of these devastating ailments. If you are just tuning in, please like, comment, and subscribe on our road to 1,000 subscribers. Now let us continue. To determine whether your vitamin D level is sufficient, it's actually not that difficult. You can get a home test kit online and do the test yourself. You could also request that your doctor order a lab test. The Vitamin D Council advises that everyone should take 5,000 IU of vitamin D daily to preserve health. Additionally, they claim that vitamin D3 is the greatest supplement to consume. You may be deficient in vitamin D if you exhibit any of the following signs and symptoms. 1. Sweaty head. When your head frequently perspires for no obvious cause, you likely have low D levels. Pediatricians really use this specific symptom to determine whether a newborn may be vitamin D deficient. 2. Constant tiredness. This is a significant symptom that cannot be explained by anything else. Vitamin D levels are typically low in people with chronic fatigue syndrome as well. 3. Depression. Research has revealed that a large number of people suffer from mild to moderate depression, and that a vitamin D deficiency is linked to the physical symptoms of depression. Increasing your vitamin D levels can occasionally help you feel much better. 4. Muscle weakness. Harvard researchers discovered that low D might induce muscle weakness, especially in people over 60. According to the Western Journal of Medicine, taking vitamin D3 at the prescribed dosage for 6 months will frequently eliminate muscle weakness brought on by a shortage of this vitamin. 5. Bone and joint pain. Nonspecific bone and joint aches are a relatively typical sign of vitamin D insufficiency. Without enough vitamin D, calcium is not easily absorbed by the body, which can cause problems for the skeletal system. By consuming enough of the vitamin, this can be prevented from causing hurting and pains in the bones. Additionally, appropriate D levels in the body prevent tooth decay. 6. Dark skin. People with darker skin have a higher risk of developing vitamin D deficiency. Natural protection provided by dark skin prevents your body from absorbing vitamin D that has been generated by the sun. Taking a top-notch supplement is the greatest method to make sure you get enough. 7. Constant health issues. If you find yourself always ill with one condition or another, this may be a sign that you need vitamin D. Immunity is impacted, which significantly reduces one's capacity to fend against infections. By ingesting adequate levels of D3, overall health might be enhanced. When their blood level is stabilized with vitamin D3, some people notice a significant improvement in their health from one year to the next. The body depends on vitamin D as a vital nutrient to keep itself healthy, battle diseases when they do arise, and prevent illness. To enjoy greater health, benefits from anti-aging, and illness prevention, be sure you do not have a vitamin D deficit. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe as we grow our community to continue to provide quality information. Thank you for watching.